everyone. Today we start to create a workbook from Microsoft Excel. So you can click on blank workbook. If you have just launched Excel, book 1 Excel appear in the title bar at the top of the window. A blank workbook opens with A1 as the active cell. For example, in the cell A1 you can type, let's say, your name. This entry is primary title of the workbook. Now that as you type, the text appear in the cell and in the formula bar. Here is called formula bar. After you typing, for example, your name, you can press enter. And in cell A2, this one we can call A2, you can type 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, press enter, and cell A3 you can type phone number. The next is we call saving workbook. When you save a file, you can save it to a folder on your computer, hard drive, a network drive, disk, CD, USB drive, OneDrive, or other storage location. You must first identify where the document is to be saved. The remainder of the save process in the same, regardless of the location or storage device. About naming and saving your workbook. When you save a file for the first time, you are asked two important questions. Where do you want to save the file? And what name will you give to the file? In this lesson, you practice answering these two questions for two different files. By default, in or Office application document are saved to the document folder or to your OneDrive, depending on settings specific during the program installation. So you can click on File. The backstage view is appear. In the left panel, click Save As to display the save option. You can double click this PC to open the Save As dialog box. In the navigation pane on the left, in the Save As dialog box, click Desktop. The desktop becomes the new destination of your save file. In the Save As dialog box, click New Folder. Here, New Folder, you can name the folder like we call folder Excel lesson. Press enter and click open. In the file name dialog box, you can name it whatever you want. But please note that the file name cannot include any symbol So you can type your file and then click save. Save your workbook often and especially before opening another workbook, printing, or after you enter information. To other formats, I will show you. Okay, click on Save As, go back to PC, Save As Time. In this dialog box is a lot of file format you can save as from Microsoft Excel. By default, Excel workbook by extension .xlsh or macro enable workbook XLSM, and for all this type of workbook will be in next session. Thank you very much for today. We'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye bye.